Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My parents was give me my full name is Nur Sazliana binti Abdul Razak, but people can call me Yana. But it's really up to you. You want to call me like Yana, Liana, or Nur Sazliana. I am pretty flexible with my nickname, but I live in Kedah. I was born on 11 May 2001, so now I am 24 years old. I have two siblings and I was the second child. My first sibling is my sisters. My family has always been a great of support and encouraging me to pursue my dream. We have enjoyed my spend time together. Currently, I am studying at University Selangor in majoring of Bachelor of Education Honors Early Childhood Education. Before I study my degree, I studied at UNISETU. My diploma was Diploma in Early Childhood. Before I continue my study in diploma, I study too at College Community Baling Kedah in majoring Certificate Pastry Art, and I graduate in 2022. For my diploma, I graduate in this year 2025. For my hobby in my free time, I would like to watch drama or movie like this. The hobby keep me creative and relaxed, especially for a long time of my study. And well, that's all for my introduction. Thank you. Bye.